Hello Kenyans, how are you? Hope mko fiti. Welcome back to this amazing channel. Hapa ndipo tunaongeanga maneno kinaga ubaga bila kubagua, bila kupendelea. My good names are Brenda Kangai and I am the next woman representative of Nairobi County, and I'm very confident nikisema hivyo. Yes. Yeah, I'll be the next woman representative of Nairobi County. But before we go there, I want to address Mr. President in a very polite way. I'm very respectful to our leaders. But sometimes when I tell them the information, their allies think that I'm insulting them. But the better truth is that I'm telling them the truth. So, Mr. President, I don't know if you listen to me or your allies will listen and tell you and give you this information. But the truth is that people are so mad at the ground. And people are so bitter at the ground level. The people who voted you with a goodwill that you will make things better, they are now frustrated and hopeless. The mama mbogas, the watu wa bodaboda, watu wa mikokoteni, vijana hawana kazi, all them, they think that now this was a scam, and a very big scam, because nothing has been done. They have no hope of what can be done or what will be done. And Mr. President, know that these people, they don't want to give tax. They are not able. These people, they do not have enough funds to give you the tax that you want. It is good you understand that, Mr. President, you campaigned and call them hustlers, the poor people of this country, and they give you their votes. And their earnings are between 100 shillings to 500 shillings a day. And kusema ukweli, Mr. President, saizi, there are people who earn 500 shillings, especially the people who have more than 3 kids and they are unable to put even 2 meals a day in their tables. Their children are unable to go to school. They do not even have money to buy clothes for their kids. They do not have better shelters. So what I'm telling you, Mr. President, is hata vile tuko kiatu imefinya mwananchi. Let nobody lie you that mwananchi is at peace. Mtu asikudanganye, Mr. President, that anybody hii nchi anafurahia moves zako. Your close friends, your allies might lie you because they want tenders. They want to win your loyalty. They know you always appreciate those people who help you to lie to wananchi. But Mr. President, it is good to have those friends who always tell you the real information on the ground. Usikuwe na rafiki mwenye anakwambia things are good and the house is burning. No. Let you have those friends who will tell you, Mr. President, kusema ukweli, mwananchi akona ghadhabu, mwananchi amekasirika, mwananchi is not happy. Because when you have those people who will tell you the lies, itafika mahali upate umejingiza kwa shimo na huwezi jitoa. Because at this time, Mr. President, I want to tell you ukweli wa Mungu. Election ikarudiwa leo, hakuna mtu mwenye anaweza kuchagua mwenye uliita hustler. All these people, they know you are liar. Uongo wenye unaongea huwezi fanya. Vitu zenye unaongea huwezi tenda. Wewe kazi yako ni kutenga. So, Mr. President, my information was this. Have those MPs who can tell you the real information on the ground close to you. Kwa sababu sisi wananchi kiatu imetufinya. Hatutaki kusikia kitu yote inahusiana na UDA. Lakini wanakudanganya wakwambia mwananchi au wananchi tutawapanga. I read a post by Wamuratha saying that woman rep for Kiambu County akisema that saizi watachagua bill wapitisha kwa sababu mnataka pesa, na ikifika 2027 ati watapangisha wananchi wawape pesa na wawachague tena. Let me tell you, do you see us, Generation Z, watu wa 90s kupanda, hamwezi tupanga. We are very deadly generation, a very informed generation. And I'm telling you, our leadership will be the best. kwa sababu we put accountability of anything that happen in this country. You cannot lie people who are rich in technology, people who have phones. When an MP does something in Garsen, mtu mwenye ako Nairobi amejua jioni. MP wa Kisumu akiongea kitu, ule mtu mwenye ako Mombasa anajua. Mtu wa Mombasa akifanya kitu, mwenye ako Isiolo amejua. So beware that technology inatupatia so much information na hakuna kitu mnaweza fanya tusijue. When you go your trips abroad and misuse public funds, mwananchi got that information. So it is good to have those members of parliament who tells you, my people back at home are suffering. They do not want the finance bill. They feel kiatu imewafinya. But ukituumiza, Mr. President, on the trail that sisi kama wananchi tutajipendekeza kwako, my friend. Atutakuja na pesa na nguni tupangishe. You are dreaming. We will pick money and vote for a leader whom we want. So it is good to have those people give you information. But now if they are not telling you, let me tell you this. Ni kubaya kwa ground, Mr. President. Ground inawaka. Hawataki kukusikia. Hawataki kusikia hata ukitajwa. Mtu anasikia ukitajwa kwa radio na TV yake, anasikia anaweza ipasua. Yani asikuone. Kwa sababu akienda kwa super vitu zimepanda. Sometimes back I used to do shopping ya kitu 25,000 to 30,000. Now, hizo vitu zilikuwa zinasustain a whole month. Sahi, the shopping is double. Nothing has changed. I'm a very simple girl. Zile unga za ugali nilikuwa nanunua, if it's their 10, ndizo nanunua. So, saizi natumia double of that money. Na hakuna kitu ati nimeongezea. So I won't tell you ati nimefurahia serikali yako. So I am imagining somebody who wants less money, who has less expenses. Alikuwa ametenga 5k ndio shopping. Saizi na mgarimu aende na 10,000 to 15,000. Don't know the same things alikuwa ananunua na hiyo do. Hadi sanitary pads umeongezea, Mr. President. Hai! Sisi wanawake tulipatiwa damu na Mungu naturally. It is not our will kukuwa na periods end month. But now when you tax our sanitary pads, and we are trying to get more resources so that we can donate to those girls who do not have. What if now you tax more and we buy less, or we are unable to buy? It means there are girls who are going to lack those pads. So those taxes are, I feel they are improper, they are not worth it, they should not be there. They are not suitable for Mwananchi. And let those members of parliament tell you that Mwananchi is not interested with those taxes. Thank you. And I want you, Mwananchi, comment below. Do you want those taxes ziimposiwe ama unasema Zakayo na taxi yake wakwende huko?